Welcome back, guys. It is early Sunday morning and it is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. It's a little chilly again. Wife's in bed still. Weston's on the couch, so we're gonna make her some breakfast in bed from the Blackstone. So hang with us. We'll take you guys along for the ride. So you might ask, what is on the menu today? Well, we got some smoky links, cheddar. We got some cooked potatoes from leftovers from last week. Gonna get used up. So you might ask, what is this? No, it's not okras. This is bacon fat. We just pour off our bacon fat into this. Use it here and there when needed. Adds a good bacon flavor to whatever you might be cooking. We also got some eggs. So we're gonna throw some eggs down, sausage, potatoes, just a simple man's breakfast for the wife on Mother's Day. So as you've probably already seen, I got these seasoned up. A little SPG, as the barbecue pit boys might call it. It's not theirs, but it is pretty much salt, pepper, and garlic. So we'll get a good crisp on these potatoes. Like I said, they're already cooked down. So we're cooking them off in that bacon fat. Let those go. We'll throw our eggs down here soon. Once those keep going, we'll let that go, and I'll check back in with you guys here soon. So I just wanted to take a minute to say happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there, especially my mom, my mother-in-laws, and of course my wife. She takes great care of me and Weston, and wouldn't probably be in the position I'm in to be able to do the things I get to do without her support, and obviously my upbringing from my mom and my mother-in-law. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. It's gonna go up a couple days after Mother's Day, but hope you guys smash that like button for me. Give your mom a big hug for me. Appreciate it. We'll get these sausages on. They won't obviously take very long because they're all pre-cooked anyways, but you can hear in the background, got a new wind chime. Weston picked that out for Amber. Got her hung up. So we'll get that little noise in the background here and there while we're cooking out here on the Blackstone. But it's kind of nice. So I want to get your guys' input. We got this little area over here from the deck that we don't use. It's not really much. I thought about maybe getting a little swing or something to put there, but let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want to see me build like a little L-shaped bar right there? And then I thought maybe about putting in like a little fish pond or something right here in this corner, and then landscaping that. Comment down below what you guys want to see for some future content this summer. Hunting's pretty much over. Obviously turkey season's done. Hopefully you guys check that out. I'll link that, you know, up here in the corner. Bagged myself a nice bird. It's sitting on the freezer drying still. So probably next week's video you'll see, I think I'm gonna make a cool little mount for it. So anyways, comment down below what you guys want. If you guys want to see me build a little, I was thinking doing like a little pallet bar or something right here, having it be like L-shape. Maybe have like a little mini fridge. I'll throw a plug in right over here on the wall. Just run power from inside the garage for a little plug, maybe a little mini fridge, or I mean, hell, maybe if we can get the wife's approval, maybe even a cool little kegerator or something. So let me know. Comment down below, guys. Let's get back to this cooking. These potatoes soaked up all that bacon grease. There's a little bit here in the corner. Might need to go get some oil, throw down just so my eggs don't stick too bad. Obviously being the Blackstone, they're not gonna, you know, it's seasoned pretty well, so we'll get these eggs thrown down and I'll just go in and grab some bread quick. Potatoes to the back. I don't know if you guys have ever used this seasoning, but it's an everyday seasoning. It has a built-in grinder. It has like salt, pepper, mustard seeds, coriander, onion, garlic, paprika, chili pepper, that kind of stuff. It's pretty good. Alright, so we got a little bit of buttered toast for our breakfast. Shoot, you know what I forgot to grab was a dang plate. I just broke that yolk. There we go, guys. That's pretty good, doesn't it? Eggs, fried potatoes, and sausage. Looks like a good Mother's Day breakfast to me. Had some guy commented on my last, or I think it was my Blackstone cleaning video, saying that I was lazy for using my spatulas to scrape. So comment down below, do you guys use spatulas, or am I just lazy? Alright guys, and that's how it's done. We're all done with breakfast. Let's get her served up and eat. Hope you guys have a good week. And we'll see you next week. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, shoot straight. How's the food, bud? Oh yeah, I bet they love seeing that. You ate your whole egg? Can you try a potato?
After my egg.
Okay. We'll fast forward it to that.
Or do that after all this.
Right. How is it?
Coca.
Pretty good?
Do you like the french fries?
Yuck.
What? I thought you liked it.
It's yucky.
What about your sausage?
I'm not trying it
I
yet.
like baby hot dog.
With cheese in them.
My favorite.
Pretty good? Alright.